Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. A very happy and a prosperous new year to you all. Today, let's start this new year with a sweet recipe which is perfect as dessert for small parties or any celebration or a festival. Let's see how to prepare caramel vermicelli Kheer, which is milk-based dessert with caramel topping. This is a twist to traditional vermicelli Kheer. It is a simple dessert which wins all hearts. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add nuts of your choice. Here I am adding cashew nuts, almonds and raisins. Saute them until they turn golden brown color and keep them aside. In the same pan, add half cup of vermicelli. Here I am adding roasted vermicelli. Saute until they turn golden brown color and keep them aside. Heat a saucepan, add 3 cups of milk. Allow the milk to boil. Now add the fried vermicelli. Cook on low flame until the vermicelli is completely cooked. Meanwhile, let's prepare caramel. In a pan, add half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the sugar starts to melt, keep mixing. Mix continuously until all the sugar is melted. You can now see a nice golden brown in color. Now, add this little by little to the cooked vermicelli. It is very hot, so be careful while adding the caramel sauce. As soon as the caramel sauce is added, mix continuously so that it is well combined. Add caramel sauce only after the vermicelli is completely cooked. Next, add in the fried nuts and mix everything once. That's it, our caramel vermicelli Kheer is now ready to serve. You can also add cardamom powder to this Kheer. You can add nuts to the caramel and use it for topping the Kheer. Sugar, when caramelized, enhances the flavor of the Kheer, and caramelized nuts add crunch to the Kheer. You can even place the Kheer in the fridge and serve it chilled. You can also prepare this Kheer with jaggery as an alternative to sugar, which makes it more healthy and tasty. Do try this recipe at your home, enjoy with your family members, and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!